You've created your digital product. It's sitting there on your computer, but you won't promote it because you think, well, who am I to sell this? Or what if no one buys it? Well, this AI prompt will flip that script in your head in less than 60 seconds. I'm about to show you the exact prompt that transforms your inner critic into your biggest cheerleader. I'm Jillian Leslie, co-founder of MiloTree, the platform that lets you sell digital products and grow your audience without needing a website or complicated tech tools. Through MiloTree, I have watched thousands of successful creators launch digital products. The biggest difference between those who succeed and those who quit, it's not their product quality. It's this mindset shift. Here's what I see happen every single day. Someone spends hours, maybe days, creating a digital product. Could be a guide, a checklist, a mini course. They know it could help people, but then they hit publish, put it out in the world, and crickets. Why? Because they're not promoting it enough. They're not talking about it enough. They're waiting for someone else to discover their genius. Now, if you're watching this and thinking, Jillian, I don't even have a product yet, okay, no problem. I made a video, you can get it here, showing you how to create your first digital product using just a Google Doc and some AI prompts that I provide, and you'll get to your first $100. So watch that one first, then come back here. But if you've created something, anything, and it's sitting on your computer, this is for you. Here is the truth. If you don't believe in your product enough to sell it, why would anyone else believe in it enough to buy it? So the problem isn't your product. The problem is you've convinced yourself you're not qualified to help people. And that's where most creators get stuck forever. So let me show you the prompt that changes everything. And I want you to open ChatGPT right now and follow along. Act as my business coach and mindset mentor. I've created a digital product about, and you're going to insert your topic. But I'm feeling nervous and uncertain about promoting it. I keep thinking, who am I to sell this? And what if it's not good enough? Help me reframe this by reminding me why my experience and perspective have value, explaining how sharing my knowledge helps people rather than bothers them, writing me a confident, empowering script I can use when talking about my product. So give me 5 places I can share this today with confidence. Be encouraging but honest. Help me see that selling something valuable is a service, not a sales pitch. You're going to paste the prompt and you're going to hit enter and look at the response. In 30 seconds, AI just became your personal confidence coach. It's reminding you that your experience matters, that helping people isn't pushy, it's necessary. But here's the part that really changes everything. It gave you an actual script, words you can use, because most of us freeze up not because we don't believe in our product, but we just don't know how to talk about it. So let's take this further with a second prompt that solves but where do I even share this? So here is the prompt. I'm ready to promote my digital product with confidence. Give me 10 specific places I can share my product today with exact words to use for each platform. Make it feel helpful, not salesy. Include social media posts, email ideas, and conversation starters for networking. This is where, let's say, you are DMing your sales page to your friends or to people on Instagram. Also, give me a 7-day promotion schedule so I stay consistent without feeling overwhelmed. This is the strategy most creators never get. You do need a plan. Random posts here and there, I promise you that they won't work, but a systematic approach where you show up consistently with confidence, talking about the problem you solve over and over again. That's how you go from 0 sales to your first $100 to your first $1,000. Now, here's where MiloTree becomes crucial. All this confidence means nothing if people can't easily buy from you. So here's my actual MiloTree dashboard with all my digital products. Watch how simple this is. I click on this button, that says digital download. I give my product a name, a price, and a short description. So let's say my product is time management for busy moms. I'm going to set the price at $27. I can upload my PDF file right here. I now click this button here that says create sales page. Now here's the part that removes all the guesswork. Check this out. The AI writes my entire sales page in seconds. No more staring at a blank screen, wondering what to say. The AI handles the sales copy so you can focus on confident promotion. And now I have one shareable link. That's it. I can share this link everywhere. Social media posts, email newsletters. This is what I'm going to text to my friends. So when someone clicks it, they see a professional sales page and they can buy instantly. So payments go directly to your bank account through Stripe, and MiloTree automatically delivers your digital file to your customer. You literally do nothing except share your link with confidence over and over again. So no website needed, no complicated tech setup, no excuses left for not promoting your valuable knowledge. And this isn't just about one product. This mindset shift changes how you show up in your entire business. When you believe your knowledge has value, you start creating more products. You start charging what you're really worth. You start building the business you actually want. I have MiloTree customers who started exactly where you are. They were scared to promote one small guide, and now they are running six-figure businesses because they learned this fundamental truth. Sharing something valuable, it isn't selfish, it's service. Here's what I want you to do right now. First, grab my complete confidence and promotion AI prompt pack below. It's in the description. It includes those two prompts we just used, and you'll see how powerful they are. Second, if you want to start selling without the tech overwhelm, try MiloTree. Sign up for a free account. You can have your product live and ready to sell honestly in the next hour. And please use these two prompts today. Don't wait until tomorrow. Your future customers are waiting for the solution only you can provide. Please stop hiding your value. Start sharing it. If you haven't watched my digital product ladder video yet, watch it next. I'll show you the AI prompt that builds your entire 10,000 per month business. That's how you go from confidently selling one product to building a complete business.